Good Tuesday afternoon, South Carolina Weather Watching. I'm the host for South Carolina Weather, Jesse Peterson, and we have we didn't have a morning forecast update, so we're doing an afternoon forecast update for everyone out there. We do have some rain showers going down into Georgetown right now, also over here just to the east of Loris, and pretty much scattered precipitation or scattered showers going through eastern Winsboro, western Camden, southern Lancaster, and north of Union as well, just to the south and east of Edgefield as well. Well, let's talk about the entire United States. If we move our way outward, you can see here that pretty much we have some precipitation going through, again, parts of the Carolinas, but again, it's not much. Rain that goes all the way down towards Dallas, up into Arkansas, Mississippi, Alabama, Tennessee. Even up here inside the Great Lakes region, we do have some rain up there. Northeast is seeing some rain and flooding condition going on in Texas. And we do have some more rain just on the bottom side of that flooding in Louisiana. Also, some excessive heat going on inside of the West right now, which is one reason why they're super dry. Here's our cloud cover right now. Cloud cover is just showing just some nice pattern clouds. Again, it's not much, um, not much at all. So I mean, you probably see some clouds inside the sky, but you can also see blue clouds inside the sky. So I mean, maybe unless if you're up there close to, I guess maybe Spartanburg or just off or on the beaches near Charleston, you may not see any blue skies. But other than that, everyone else you see a mix of clouds and blue skies. Here's our cloud cover total percentage right now. As we move this forward, you can see it's going to actually not be too cloudy today until we get to around like late night tonight, where we start to see the upstate and portions of the coast start to see some cloud cover. As we go into as we get into tomorrow morning around 12 o'clock in the morning, you can start to see some more cloud cover push in, and pretty much the entire state will be covered by cloud cover. As we move through there, and as we get into tomorrow morning, it may be a cloudy start. Here's our current temperatures: 89 in Columbia, 88 in Charleston, 89 in Savannah, 89 in Beaufort, 84 in Myrtle Beach, 89 in Rock Hill, 89 in Edgefield, 86 Greenville, 88 inside of Greenwood and Anderson. Here's our high temperatures for today: around 92 in Columbia, 89 in Charleston, 92 in Aiken, 90 in Hilton Head Island, 88 in Myrtle Beach, 90 in Rock Hill, 89 in Spartanburg, 90 in Greenville and Anderson. Here is our peak sustained winds. Peak sustained winds today will be around 9 Hilton Head Island, 8 in Santa Monica Corner, 13 in Charleston, 14 in Myrtle Beach, 8 in Columbia, 7 in both Spartanburg, Rock Hill, and Lawrence, 8 in Greenville, 9 in Anderson as well. So winds today will be kind of in like the high single digits, but again, still maybe noticeable, but not really damaging or anything like that. And wind gusts as well, around 15 in Greenville, 14 in Spartanburg, 14 in Rock Hill, 13 in Columbia, 10 in Moncks Corner, 17 in Charleston, 13 in Hilton Head Island, 20 in Myrtle Beach, and maybe even an isolated 25-mile-per-hour wind gust somewhere out along the coast, probably near like Myrtle Beach. So again, I mean, really, again, just like a nice, I'm not going to say a nice calm day, I'm going to say a little bit less than breezy day. Here's our forecasted precipitation for the next 24 hours from now until 8 a.m. tomorrow morning. Around a hundredth of an inch to a tenth of an inch possible in the Greenville Spartanburg region, half an inch to an inch possible in Rock Hill, tenth of an inch to a quarter of an inch possible in Cheraw, tenth of an inch to a quarter of an inch possible in Myrtle Beach and Georgetown, quarter of an inch possible in Charleston, hundredth of an inch to a tenth of an inch possible in Hilton Head Island, and a quarter of an inch and a half an inch possible in Columbia and Florence and Sumter as well. So again, very, it's going to be very scattered. These showers are going to be very scattered. You won't really, all of these are really not going to be, they're not really going to be like the same as they show here. Like, I think like somebody caught like 8 inches of rain at Florence yesterday, I believe. I'm not sure. I'm not quite sure. I'm going to have to go back there and check, but I'm pretty sure Florence was under a flood advisory yesterday, and I think somebody caught 8 inches of rain from a storm that hit Florence yesterday. So, again, like, a quarter of an inch to half an inch is nowhere near 8 inches. So again, this is really just an estimate at the best, and it's not ever. It might be correct sometimes, but is it ever going to be correct? That's a question that I don't have an answer to. All right, but here is our HRRR model. Here we're going to just look at the future. We're going to go to the 14Z because I don't know what's going on with that. So 14Z starting off at 12, and as you continue, here's 1 o'clock as showers and storms will start to get going near the coast, and then 4 o'clock near Loris, and then maybe some more thunderstorms possible even near Loris as well. Small hail damage, I would say damaging, but I would say some gusty winds possible through there. And then pretty much after that, some showers possible up there near Seneca and Anderson around 8 o'clock. More showers and storm possible near Buford around 5 o'clock. And then pretty much here at around 11 o'clock, a line of showers and storms starting to get up just to the south and east of Columbia, Florence, Sumter, all of those places. And then as you get to around 3 to 4 a.m., again, more showers and storms will start to form over here just near Wadesboro, North Carolina, down towards Augusta, Georgia. So again, we've been seeing these for like a while, to where we start to see these storms just forming these lines, probably because of the outflow boundary, forming these storms behind it. Here is our day 1 categorical outlook. Again, no threat for any type of severe weather, even though, it's always possible. You can never rule out a strong thunderstorm. But still, gusty winds, small hail, and cloud-to-ground lightning is still possible with some of these storms. Day 1 excessive rainfall outlook around Rock Hill, up there towards, we just talking about Wadesboro, North Carolina, and other places like that inside the yellow region has a slight risk of excessive rainfall, which means scattered flash flooding is possible, and then a marginal risk that does not include the low country of South Carolina, and then the western PD region of South Carolina has a marginal risk of excessive rainfall, and then also that goes all the way up into the upstate. And then no tropical cyclone activity is expected during the next 48 hours and for the next 7 days either. We haven't really talked about the Pacific that much, but the Pacific is getting some tropical cyclone activity. But right now, no threat to like the western United States or even Mexico. So we'll continue to watch for that as well. But that's pretty much all that I have. Here's one last look at your live radar. Again, just showers. More showers has formed since I've started this. But again, they're really just like light showers that will pretty much last for maybe about maybe a minute, maybe like 5 minutes or so, something like that. And they're not going to last that long, especially since they're that small. But that's all that I have. So everyone have a fantastic rest of your Tuesday, and I'll be back tonight, 9 o'clock.